Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeball look right here. I actually like it a lot. This tutorial is going to be based all around the Morphe 35O palette. This is her. Isn't she beautiful? I actually love this palette. All of these colors are so far up my alley, it's stupid. I love browns, cranberries, basically any warm tone kind of look. But I also like cool tones a lot. Regardless, it's just, I love it. Like, I was literally watching videos on YouTube and giggling while I was doing my other eyeball, because I did one eye first to figure out what the heck I was going to do, and then I did this eyeball. So I hope that you guys like this look, and if you would like to see how I achieved it, then obviously keep watching. I'm trying on a new pair of false lashes, and I don't know if I like them. What do you guys think? They feel really heavy. Like, my eyeballs just want to close. Okay, I'm going to quit yammering on. You guys enjoy the tutorial. I'll see you at the end.
Here she is, guys. Ain't she a beaut? Just love this palette. So I put like little lips over top of the colors in the palette that I am using because none of them have names, and it's just way easier than me trying to describe the exact color that I'm using. But this orange color, or the first color that I put down was that white one, clearly all over the lid, and then I go in with this orange color with a fluffy blender brush and kind of put it all over the lid as well. This is something I don't normally do. I usually only focus it into the crease, but today we go on hog wild and putting it all over. So I mixed these two orange colors. Do you see the theme I'm going with here? Orange. But anyway, I mixed these two colors and I am putting them basically in the exact same place. I just want to create a kind of a gradient transition from like light orange all the way down to like a reddish brown type orange deal. Like my other eyeball. You see the final product. We getting there. Okay, we getting there. But I'm just using that exact same big blending brush to achieve that look. So just watch what I'm doing. It's really not difficult, guys. Like I said, I watched YouTube videos the entire time, so this is not hard to do. I don't know what I'm staring at. I don't know. Come on, keep it moving. Let's go. We get the rest of the tutorial to get to. Let's go. Looks great. Okay, so here's whenever I started mixing in the darker colors. I started doing this using kind of this flat brush because I thought it would be a little bit more precise in putting the color in. And then you'll see me actually switch to a blending brush here towards the end of this clip because this just wasn't getting it done the way that I wanted to. It didn't really blur the edges together. Here we go. It didn't really blur the edges together like I wanted them to look. I don't like blunt lines in my eyeshadow, so, you know, I did go back to it a few times, I'm not going to lie. But, you know, blend it out, people. Keep it blending. Here we go. Here's that fluffy brush I was talking about. I added a little bit more brown towards the bottom of the lid because I just didn't think it was dark enough. And I wanted to not wear eyeliner with this look, or at least not a lot of eyeliner. So I really needed to deepen up where the lash line was so that you couldn't tell where my false lashes began and what not. Because I hate that look. Okay, so jumping to the bottom of the eyeball. I'm using the exact colors that I used on the top of the lid. You guys see how we're already done with the top? Wasn't that easy? But I'm using the exact same shades for the bottom area. What the hell? My under eye? Why could I not think of what that was called? Dear God, could that truck have been any louder? Anyway, but yeah, like I said, I'm using the exact same colors, going back in with that shader brush because it actually worked down here, and just kind of deepening up my under eye. Being careful to keep everything blended but not super blown out because I don't want to look like I have the flu or leprosy or whatever. You know how you can look sickly with these dark smoky eyes. And then I went back to highlight my brow bone because honestly a look grosses me out if you don't have a highlighted brow bone. Just, you know, keeping it real. But I used that beautiful shiny shade in the palette and I loved it. Don't forget your inner corner. Blend it all out. And guys, that's it. How freaking easy. I love it. So that means we're pretty much done with, you know, the shadow part of the eyeball. So I did go ahead and use this liner to put a very slim line down on my lash line so I could actually attach those false lashes to it and it not look so obviously fake. Don't forget to put on your mascara before you put on your false lashes. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the miniature version because it's kind of dried out, and I really prefer this mascara that way because it just, I don't know. It just works better in my opinion that way. And then I go to put on these brand new lashes that I'm still up in the air about even days later. So these are the Lily Lashes Miami Lash. They're so popular, and I thought I would love them, but I don't know. There's just something about it. I don't know. Maybe I just didn't put it on right. Like, I mean, obviously you're watching me put it on, and I'm doing it like I always put on lashes, but still. It just, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Do you like these lashes or not? They're very fluffy. Very fluffy. So I'm using this Urban Decay Lush liner to line my waterline. Then I'm using the MAC Extended Play mascara to do my lower lash line. And then I also kind of use it to fill in the sparse areas of where my false lashes are. And that's it. I hope you guys like the super detailed tutorial. Stay tuned for the end. And I love y'all. Bye.
Guys, that is it. I hope that you liked this super detailed and instructed tutorial on how to create this eyeball look right here. If you want your eyeballs to look just like mine, then do exactly as I said, because that's how you do it. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate the support. Please don't forget to like the video if you did, or dislike it. I really don't care. It's engagement either way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Click the notification bell also so that YouTube tells you when I upload, because otherwise it won't, and you won't know, and then I won't get any views, and then I'll be sad because I did all this work for nothing. YouTubing is hard. YouTubing? YouTubering? Filming videos? It's hard. It's hard out in these streets. So thanks again, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my social media links down below because I've become a lot more active on them, and I would like for you to be active with me. Yay! Let's be friends. That's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one because you'll be subscribed and you'll know about its posting. Bye!